Kublai pi baro ginigilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya u konrad ke sangma. Hagasngi palai uong Donkam Shibun na ki election ber ke Sorkar layo kam ban penbiangi ki kerteng pajba hapo kisnat balapelong. Kabaong ba omdan kabenta bana ban sngotu Menteri Rangba uong ngim sngotu ya kawai ke election Shibun. Kajing penbiang la sedang bang ngim sngotu ya kabashisha uong. Hakabenta jong kajing penya anti-incumbency u konrad sangma utim baka anti-incumbency kala banong haki arbenta. Kabenta ke Sorkar berkabenta ke kandidat. Ka anti-incumbency kalong haki arbenta kawai ke parti kan yo yaka hakabenta ke Sorkar barki kandidat kibadon kabenta kan yo yaka hakabenta kaba unite. Ka jinghikai kalong haki arbenta uong ru bagi jing e ne jinglong jing tip persha ki Sorkar ki Autonomous District Council ADC kala ban pelong baki ladon jing e kabenta ke imlang saalang jong ki paitba. Nrei ka Sorkar kala pelong e ka kam ka basyongkun katip bar ka jinglong autonomy jong ki council. Ka kam kani kalong ka basyongkun ngimla ban suthu e kabenta ka basyongkun ha ka jing pelong da kabenta ka Sorkar. Henry ngimtip ya ka autonomy jong ki district council uong Henry uong ba ka Sorkar sedang Shibun da ka jengkeli ba jengtip kerteng. Menteri Rangba open pau ki reforms kum ka penti kenai ka system jong ka advance salary payment ka balapan iye ka benta ka jeng yada ba ka jeng dan jeng e ka salary kitu kilong ki reform ban penbiang ya ka system ban ngisotho ba ka jeng sup kalong ka baba uong ngalayo shu iki durki ki balapan i ba ki nongtre ki lakermen ya ka Sorkar berkatulop kalalong kabenta kababha uloong kitu ki komiti om dan seng sign perthai Henry ki long ki basngobha ban penbiang ya ki system bat ka jinglong kababha jongkari uong.
Understood that we are very serious about any election, and we ensure that we don't take anything for granted. So we have started working, and we have started moving at the grassroots level. And I don't want to say much, but yeah, a lot of activities are taking place now. There's no doubt about it, and we always take that very seriously. And council is, of course, because of the financial constraints that it has, they're not able to move forward and fulfill a lot of the expectations that the people may have. But having said that, we to remember anti-incumbency is at two levels. One is at the government level and one is at the candidate level. And hence, the anti-incumbency, if it affects one party, it affects the other party also who has sitting MDCs. So it's going to be across the board. And obviously, we'll have to look into all those aspects. And answering to the first part of the question, that all those issues are there. But if you look at the actions that have been taken by us as a government, though, as I said, we have refrained from intervening directly because we have respected the autonomy of different district councils, and we know that it's a sensitive subject and issue. We have very delicately and by deep consultation at all levels did we move forward in the aspect of salary, so that today nobody can say that we just simply came in, we didn't talk to people, we didn't consult people, we didn't take people into confidence. We took everybody into confidence, and we took the decision only when everybody was part of it. And accordingly, as I said, now, for example, Jayantha Hills has given us a decision that they also want this system where there's an administrative system set up for at least the salary part, and the advances are given to them so that, and adjusted later on with the finance, so that there is no delay in the salaries. So all of this kind of things are happening, and we are intervening, and we are making reforms. And I'm happy to see, as I said, just about a month back, I saw some video clips of the district council employees, same employees who were very upset with me also and with the government also, though, as I mentioned earlier, it was not directly our responsibility. But they were thanking the government for clearing their salaries. They were saying that the government has finally intervened and they've supported, and because of the government's support, this is now our salaries are on track. So we have taken steps, and we assure that we'll be moving forward to have more such reforms, and we'll streamline things. And that's why, as I said, even though government has refrained from intervening directly, but with the involvement and with the consultation with the district council and stakeholders. And as you know, we have put up committees everywhere, and these committees are completely non-political in nature, headed by deputy commissioners, and members are all people from the society. Consultations taking place on how each council can be improved and functioning can become better. Um, some of the councils perform very well. It's not that everywhere. Some have challenges. So wherever the challenges are there, we are there to support and see how we can move forward.
So what